update on the barbecue area. It's coming along. I can't wait to get the grill and smoker around here and give that car more room in the carport. I tell you what, it's been a slow go, but we've had rain and everything else. It looks pretty good, I think. My kids done a good job, and their friends. I laid the pavers down, and that's rough on this old man. Anyways, we'll have a place here where you can relax, hopefully cut out some of that traffic noise, and I'll be putting a privacy fence up and along the fence there to help with the wind and elements and stuff like that to kind of protect the area. But that'll be in the future. We can only do what we can do as we go along, but it's coming along, I believe. I've got to get my edging around the pavers, which I'm using the brick, if you notice, up against the wall. That's how I done the wall. Put brick down, and then I put chat between the house and the brick, just a narrow place. Made it look pretty good. Now out there in that grass area around this grilling area, I'm going to lay a weed barrier down and put screenings down or small gravel to do away with the grass around this area. And there's still some trimming to be done, so it's coming along.